channel. Talk about A220 commercial aircraft. It is passenger aircraft. The smallest jetliner and Airbus. In production product line, the A220-100 was built from the ground up to serve the 135-seat market with unbeatable efficiency and comfort. With broad seats, plenty of overhead storage space and large windows, it's a single-aisle aircraft that feels like a wide-body jet. The extensive use of advanced materials such as composites in the wings, empennage and rear fuselage, reduces weight and increases corrosion resistance, resulting in better efficiency and maintainability. These modern materials make up more than 40% of the aircraft's primary structure, delivering weight savings for reduced fuel burn, with an accompanying reduction of CO2 and NOx emissions. Powered by Pratt & Whitney Pure Power PW1500G gear turbofan engines specifically designed for the family. The A220-100 can connect distant airports with its 3,450 nanometers range and best-in-class airfield performance. The A220 family is ideal for hot and high and city center airport operations. In fact, the A220-100 is the largest aircraft able to operate in the constrained environment of London City Airport. From such challenging airports, the A220 family's performance and efficiency give best-in-class economics. The A220 family's cabin was purpose-built to deliver an exceptional passenger experience. A220 family aircraft are recognized for their low noise levels, providing a quiet and comfortable cabin. Wide seats, combined with ample overhead storage, create personal space without compromising on headroom. And the cabin management system provides cruise with easy, intuitive control of the aircraft's interior environment, including entertainment offerings and mood lighting. Like the larger A220-300 version, the A220-100's configurable cabin provides two flex zones, allowing operators to benefit from fully customizable modular cabin elements, including stowage areas and partitions, based on the A220 in their fleets right now. airBaltic currently has 22 Airbus A220-300s in its fleet with another 28 on order. As the airline navigates the current crisis, it has selected the A220 to sustain its operations moving forward. With the A220, airBaltic has the world's youngest fleet. Air Canada, the Canadian flag carrier, has 7 A220-300s in its fleet. The airline ordered the aircraft when it was known as the X-Series and produced by the Canadian manufacturer, Bombardier. Air Tanzania, the Tanzanian flag carrier, has 2 Airbus A220-300s in its fleet. Delta Airlines. Delta is the most high-profile airline in the United States to order and operate the Airbus A220. Delta currently has 31 Airbus A220-100s in its fleet. Egyptair. Egyptian flag carrier, Egyptair, has 9 A220-300s in its fleet with another 3 left on order. Korean Air. Korean Air has 10 A220-300s in its fleet. The carrier has no other A220s on order. The A220s are in an all-economy layout with 140 seats. The airline primarily flies these planes on domestic legs between Seoul and Jeju and Busan, Jeju to Gyeongju, Jeju to Busan, Seoul to Ulsan, and others. The A220 has also flown some international routes to Japan. Swiss.